Hey Eric, it's Mom. Today I'm going to teach you how to address an envelope properly. So you'll start with the letter or the document that you want to send in the mail. It can be a letter home, which would be a great idea. You fold it up to go into the envelope. The way I like to fold it is to fold it up by a third, flip it over, and then fold it up the rest of the way. The reason I like to do it this way is because then the person who's receiving the mail can get a glimpse at what the letter is regarding as they're taking it out of the envelope. So you'll put it in the envelope. This particular envelope has a sticker here that you can just peel off, and then it has a gummy surface underneath. Sometimes it doesn't have a sticker, it just has a little bit of a gummy surface, and you have to wet it or lick it in order to activate the glue on it and get it to stick. So then we flip it around and you'll see that the envelope has three main sections that we're going to use. This center section is where we address who the envelope is to. This section up here in the top left signifies who the envelope is from. And up here in the top right, we'll place the stamp, which is what allows the post office to deliver it, because that shows that we've paid our postage on it. So here in the to section, if I'm mailing this to you, I'm just going to put your name, and then I'm going to put your street address. Let's say 1212 Main Street. And I'm going to say Cincinnati, Ohio. And then the zip code. Here I'm going to place who it's from. So here I would put my name, Marcia Sokas, and my address. So this is my street address, 5215 Main Street. And then here's city and state, Orlando, Florida, zip code 32801. So this is who it's to, this is who it's from, and then over here we just place the postage. That shows that we've paid for the postage. Put this in the mailbox, put the little flag up, and the mailman will take that away. Okay, thanks. Talk to you soon. Hope you write a letter home. Bye.